same time, the God has been very kind to us, given us a large liver with a large reserve. So if we take care of it very well, then it is going to last us a lifetime. And if even after our lifetime, if we choose to donate, it can help somebody else. So on this World Liver Day, I would like to combine the two messages. Take care of your liver, not only for yourself. If you take care of it, it will last you your lifetime. And if you are believe in donation and donating after it is of no use to anymore, it can even help one or two people for their lifetime. So this is a gift that the great Almighty has given to us. So we should not only take care of it for ourselves, but also for the future, for other people in society who we can help. But by bad luck or by some infection or by our own acts, if we do something to damage it, then we should be very careful that we seek advice in time so that the liver damage can be contained and prevented from becoming life-threatening or developing into cancers. And if it is detected late, then please we advise people not to despair and be depressed, because medical, radiological, surgical and all sciences have advanced so much that almost all patients with any kind of liver disease, even in so-called terminal stages, can be given chance of cure with the modern therapies. So any patient who should not despair that his liver is failed or is failing, that he is about to die and he should go at home or go to some holy, do all that, but seek advice from a trained, advanced facility, because today medical and surgical science has advanced to a point that almost all these patients can be given some kind of solution that can give them some help even in the late condition. That is the message that I would like to give out on this World Liver Day. Thank you.